Hello viewers, I'm going to show you how you can eliminate 3 ways you can eliminate odor in your farm. I'm going to show you and explain one by one for you to understand. Once you follow this process, you will not have the odor in your farm. Everything will be okay. Your poultry will be healthy enough. Number one is about cleaning the battery cage at Wendy. You can see this battery cage is okay now. We normally cleanse it once in every 24 hours, once in every morning. You can see how the droppings are. There is a lot of droppings inside this place. We normally cleanse it. Yeah. Then let me show you the next one of the battery cage, the one that we clean. I do not edit this one. I'm going to show you how it looks like. And this one is the second battery cage. You can see how the inside is. We have already cleaned it. We normally clean it every 24 hours or every 12 hours. We clean it. It's how we clean the battery cage at Wendy. And I'm going to show you how the place we dump it. When we clean it here, we take it to the next place and dump it. You can see how everywhere is neat. Under is neat. And it's difficult. You can see everything is dropping one by one. It's difficult for the birds to get sick. You can look at the extreme. You will see the dropping at the extreme. And these are some of the droppings that are here. These are the droppings that are here. And we're going to put it inside the container. See how we pack it. We normally pack it every 12 hours or every 24 hours. We pack it and throw it away. Number two is about the ventilation. You can see here it's airy. There is no way, there is the way of eliminating odor. You can see all of here is airy, and here is open. There's no way odor, this poultry will have odor. These are the number two, how you can eliminate it. And the third one is about this floor now. After cleaning it, we are going to pour the sawdust or sand. Hello viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.